Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Prince Obiefle and this is Igbo Made Easy. So today I'm going to be starting a series, a whiteboard series, where I'm going to be bringing you bite-sized lessons, sometimes a mouthful, sometimes less than a mouthful, but chunks, chewable chunks that you can just grab and go. It's not going to be daily, but it's going to be very frequent. And today we're going to be looking at na. Na is mostly a preposition in Igbo, and it basically means in, at, on, and. I know that's a conjunction, but yes, that's why I say it's mostly a preposition, but it means in, it means at, it means on, and it means and. And this is the word we'll be exploring. Wherever you see na. For example, we can have mu na gi, and that is you and I. Mu na gi, you and I. We can also have na ahia. Na is at in this instance, and ahia is market. So na here is at the market. At the market. So here you see na functioning as at. Now we have na Igbo. Na Igbo. So na Igbo is in Igbo. I can say, for example, kwuo ya na Igbo. And that would be say it in Igbo. Now you see, na is functioning as in this case. So we've seen na function as and, we've seen na functions as at, we've seen na function as in. Last one. Bia na Monday. Bia na Monday. Now you know bia is come. Bia is come in Igbo. Then na in this place function as on. And then you have Monday. So bia na Monday, come on Monday. So we have seen na function as in, we have seen na function as at, we have seen na function as on, and we have seen na function as and. So what I want you to take note of is this word na. Take note of this word na, because anywhere you see it is going to function as and. In, at, on, and. Now there is a very slight exception where na functions as is, but I will explain that to you. I'm doing a video on that. I'm doing a lesson on that. So if you've not subscribed to the channel, subscribe now, because we're going to be having this whiteboard series, and then I'll be bringing you such lessons, more lessons like this. But na basically is in, at, on, and. So when you see na, the context will let you know if it's in, or at, or on, or and. Soak it in. We're going to do a very quick exercise. You're going to translate this in Igbo. You're going to say na is in and at and on and in English. Now I know it's what's it called, like cumbersome, you know. We could have just made it simpler. Na is in, comma, at, comma, on, comma, and, comma in English. But there's a reason why I've written it this way. This is na gone on rampage. I'm writing it this way so you can practice and you can exercise and you can put your knowledge of na to work and translate this to Igbo. Not to worry, I know you're seeing some words, maybe you're not familiar with what is in Igbo. For instance, you can be wondering, so what is in Igbo, you know? And you can be wondering, so how do I say in English in Igbo? Because apart from these two, every other thing is probably clear and plain. So I'll give you your clue. Number one, is in Igbo is bo. So if I were going to say that in Igbo, I would say is bo. You see? And what is in English? I'll not tell you what is in English, but I'll tell you what is English. English is beke. So these are the two clues that you need. Is bo. English is beke. We can even say it in Igbo as the way we've written for bo. We can do the same for this and say English bo beke. You see, English bo beke. That is saying English is English. So this is your first clue. Okay, I'm going to give you another second clue that should help you put it all together, because you're going to say na is in and at and on and in English, but you'll be saying it in Igbo, full Igbo, with the exception of the words that have the arrow on them. You understand? So it's going to be na dash 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 in dash 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 at dash 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 on dash 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 and dash 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 in English, or dash dash dash, yes, because you will not say in English. In English you say it in Igbo. You see, so the only things you are going to be saying in English is the English word that you are going to be calling, that is in, at, on, and I pointed out the and that you're going to be saying in English. So that last part of it is not this and that you are saying in English. You're not saying this and in English. This and is to be said in Igbo. The and with the arrow on it is the one you say in English. So I'm gonna give you 5 seconds, because by now you should have blotted it out. So 5 seconds. If you need more time, it's on video, so you can just pause, you know, and I'll go right into the answer part. Okay, so we come to the answers part of it, and we're going to be making translating this. You're going to stay with me, and we've learned these words and you had your clues, and I hope you got it correctly. Now, na. Listen to the sound very well. Na. If you want to say it in Igbo, it will be na bo. You can say na, but na bo. So the word for is bo, as we established from the clue. Na bo in. What is and in Igbo? Na. So na bo in, na at, na on, na and. And how do we say in English? What is the word for in Igbo? The word for in is na. You see, the word for in is na. We just say na is in. Na bo in. So na bo in, na at, na on, na and, na bekee. So English is bekee, and that is how you have it. So I'm gonna write this in Igbo so you get to see it too. Na bo in, na at, na on, na and, na bekee. How many na do we have on this thing? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is na gone on rampage. Na bo in, na at, na on, na and, na bekee. So this is it for this quick bite-sized lesson on the word and in Igbo, and I hope it really helps you to learn. So some of the words that we learned in the process of this class is the word for in, and, on, and at, which is na. Then we learned the word for is, which is bo. We learned the word for English, which is bekee. We said it's bekee. That's B-E-K-E-E. Maybe I should help you out. Bekee. We learned the word for come, which is bia. And we learned the word for market, which is ahia. Ahia, the word for market. So I want to say a big thank you to every one of you for staying with me on this channel, for being a part of what I do here on Igbo Made Easy, for leaving your comments and being so encouraging. Kiana, Omenka Helen, Archie, and all of you. Thank you. Until the next time, my name remains Prince Obiefule, and this is Igbo Made Easy. Daalụ.